Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to have swipe on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we are in the friends list where you can see all your friends. We have it in the bottom right corner, you can see check out spotlight, and the other features are for you to photograph, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and have swipe on Snapchat. It is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. To have swipe on Snapchat and read a chat message without letting the sender know, follow just these few steps that I'll be telling you. So, find an unopened chat message. So, of course, to do so, you'll have to have a message from your friend or whoever, and then you need to work on that. Tap and hold on the sender's icon, and then slowly swipe to the right to see a preview of message. So basically with your finger, just slowly swipe. Don't let go of the screen to avoid opening the message and notifying the sender. When you finish, when you already saw the message, you can just bring your finger back in the first position. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.